Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are back with a makeup tutorial. This is a 15 minutes get ready with me makeup tutorial. Have you ever had to beat your face so fast in under 15 minutes, like completely, and look like this? If you want to know how I did that, then keep on watching. And before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, it's free of charge. Okay, you've got nothing to lose but join the Amaket family. Okay, now subscribe, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. And let's get right on into the video. I will show you guys how I got to look this gorgeous under 15 minutes. So follow me, don't go anywhere. I'm just going to go right straight into my brows. My brows are not carved in any way, so they are kind of bushy. So I'm just going to, walk
when we first found out, you said just a while that you'd be home. Only timber, I know. You said you were better. Now it's counting down the days, putting papers up. We were so close.
So I will be working with that, and for that reason I'll be going with a bolder eyebrow.
Started so much in common, too much for you to just stop. 06 really even started so much in common.
With
Too much for
concealer
you to
palette,
just stop.
I will cleaning it up.
It's all that I can muster up. And every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not now. Now I forget about your face, unless I think about the way I don't understand half of myself. Didn't matter, 'cause your body never came home, left me alone. I was only 10, so no excuses then. To pick up all the pieces just to barely make it. Now I'm 24, now I'm wanting more. There's no answers in these pages, voice a little faded. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just stop. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just stop. All I wanna say is the B word. It's all that I can muster up. And every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not now.
So these are my brows and this is what I'm working with. Next, I'm just going to go and do my foundation. I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. Sorry for covering it up. I forgot that I was filming.
Starting on a new page feels better every time. Flip as simple as waking up next to you. These thoughts I'll escape them. I got you tennis shoes. Shouldn't be more than a year or two. Is it bad that I feel misunderstood, or bad that I'm under you? I'm trapped beneath all the yeses I keep on giving. Is it bad that I don't wanna lose, or bad that it's always you? I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two. About you now, about you. My mind is split up in two. About you now, and I know how to feel, but I won't run. My mind is split up in two.
My foundation shade is not my exact color match, but I'd rather go darker than go. So like at least this way I can always use concealer to correct it and then to match better with my neck. That's why I like using it, especially during the summer when you get a little bit darker. So just the my fancy this is a very light concealer. So this will help me correct.
Beneath all the yeses I keep on giving.
Correct the foundation
that I don't wanna lose, or bad that it's always you. I'm losing all my days, but I still keep on going.
Normally I usually do my eyes first before I go in with foundation or concealer, but today I'm going to do something very light for my eyes, so nothing too fancy or too crazy.
My mind is split up in two. About you now, and I know how to feel. I won't run. My mind is split up in two. About you now, about you.
I like the way that just melted into my face. And when I'm doing this, I usually spread it to my lid a little bit so that if I'm going to apply anything, it will serve as a primer as well without reapplying like concealer to the area. So this is what we're working with. Let me come close up so you can see. I like it. I like the finish as well. For someone that is Russian, I think I'm doing a pretty decent job so far. In fact, I just had an idea now that I mentioned Russian. I'm not going to cut off any part of this video. Let me see how fast I'll be able to finish this makeup. Hopefully I'll be able to do everything under 15 minutes because it's saying about 7 minutes right now, so let me just stop talking and hurry up. It wasn't planned, but hey, I guess we are going to do a 15 minutes makeup chit chat get ready with me tutorials all at the same time. Okay, now that I mentioned 15 minutes, like my brain just froze and I'm not thinking straight anymore. I do not know what exactly I'm looking for. Ooh, eyeshadow. Yes, and contour palette as well. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from Nubia, from Juvia's Place.
Sitting in silence, we can still feel the vibe. You could not say a word in a light shades, because like I said, I'm not going for anything too dramatic. So I'm just going to stick with nudes and browns. The time is melting from my fingertips.
Oh my god, this makeup will end up turning out crazy because now I'm rushing to meet up with time. Okay.
You and I making fire, I can take ya, I can make it better, baby.
I want the light eyes because I'm going to
every day, feeling the same in a different way.
Okay, done. Next, I cannot find my I should have prepared for this video before saying I want to finish under 15 minutes. Okay, found it. My contour palette. I'm not going to go in with a cream contour anymore. I'm just going to go straight into this and just. Things that happen when I start rushing. Okay. Wanda, relax. If you don't get
I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Oh, I never had a love so fine. You mix it up with sugar and honey and spice. Oh, I wanna be a baby girl. I'll let you be my sugar, my honey, my whole damn world.
Applied way too much blush. There is no time for crisis. Right now. No time for crisis.
Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the
I just
same
used my beauty blender to press that. Doesn't look crazy anymore. So that's still fine. Let's see. Yeah. Eyeliner.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over.
Sorry, my
Go
palette
for
might be
it.
covering up my face.
They don't even,
But with eyeliner, I have to look
make
really
it.
rough. I don't.
That's something I don't
And then given
regret.
that I'm rushing, I'm
Every
trying
night I
to at the
close
same time.
my eyes and see
Already
I'm
destroyed
having the
this one.
dreams, baby.
This
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't
Why did I just decide to put pressure on myself? Now I'll go there looking like a crazy person.
Sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me.
3 more minutes. Oh my god! I cannot leave the house without highlighter. I would rather say no powder than no highlighter. So highlight just in case I don't forget. This is not what we planned.
What can I
But
do
okay.
when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk.
I did not contour my nose, but that's fine. I'm going to just
That's all
use
I
highlighter.
got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't say. I just sleepwalk. I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Oh, Jesus.
What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't say. I just sleepwalk.
Okay, at least I'm sure the basic is done. And okay, I should have done this way before now, but don't judge me and don't blame me. I was rushing, so I'm going to just take my powder. I can't even find my powder brush.
That's all I
My
got.
foundation
What
brush
can I
to do
say
this.
with a million
just
things I
go over the
can't
place with
erase.
that.
And
There's
your
no powder.
people I
Ladies and
can't
gentlemen,
say.
there's no rule to make up as long as you end up not looking like a bad person.
Don't wanna wake up.
Just take note of that if you decide to do this challenge with me. I have like 30 seconds left. Whew. Okay. And I'm done, and I'm done before 15 seconds. It's 14:30, so I still have like 30 seconds left. So I'm done. And this is the finished look, guys. This is so crazy, but this is a makeup tutorial on get ready with me within 15 minutes from start to finish, and I just did this bit in 15 minutes. I'm going to roll the tape completely without cutting it off, because I did this, guys, while I was rushing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this type of tutorials or this type of videos, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I know I forgot mascara, but like I said, this is it. Okay, within 15 minutes. I think I look pretty decent and presentable for a 15 minutes video. What do you guys think? The light is making it a little bit washed up, so I'm going to just adjust the light a little bit so you guys can see it with close to normal light. And let's see. So this is more like with the lighting tone down. This is how, you know, it looks up close in person, and I think I like this. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you get notified, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye. Feel free to watch other tutorials that I've done, and ciao.